Polycystic ovary syndrome is a condition where women have irregular menses, so they'll have less than 6 to 9 menses in a year, have problems with acne, which are beyond their teenage years, hair growth issues, primarily in regions of the face, but even in other parts of the body. And then when we do an ultrasound, they have this very typical appearance of polycystic appearing ovaries. That conglomeration is known as PCOS, or polycystic ovary syndrome. It's really become important in the last decade or so because these women also have long-term health issues related to diabetes, cholesterol problems, hypertension, and in addition to this, they may have fertility issues. So we see the patients either as couples for fertility issues, but I see a lot of these patients right from their teenage years to the postmenopausal years for other related morbidities. So I have set up a comprehensive PEN PCOS center, which means that patients, when they come to us, will first of all establish a diagnosis of polycystic ovary syndrome, which can be difficult, and there are women who over years have not got an accurate diagnosis just because of the difficulties with establishing this diagnosis. In addition to that, I have a certified nutritionist who's part of our center, and so as part of that visit, the patients would then get to meet with her. We also have nurse practitioners who are dedicated to the care of PCOS patients as well as recruit patients for a number of research studies that are currently ongoing. My patient care philosophy is to give the patient the best advice, to make it a stress-free visit, which is really important, and also to outline what the expectation should be over the next few visits or over the next 6 months to a year. I am Dr. Anuja Dokras. I am the director of the IVF program as well as the director of the PCOS Center at Penn Medicine.